Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2004 code? This code indicates that the Intake Manifold Runner Control on Bank 1 is stuck in the open position, which can disturb the proper air distribution inside the engine and affect performance and fuel efficiency. P2004 stands for Intake Manifold Runner Control Stuck Open Now Bank 1. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the intake runner flaps inside the intake manifold are not closing as commanded. These flaps control airflow at different engine speeds to improve combustion efficiency, torque, and fuel economy. This issue is commonly found in modern gasoline engines with variable intake manifold systems. Common symptoms include check engine light on, rough idle, reduced low-end torque, poor fuel economy, and inconsistent engine performance. The engine may also feel less responsive during acceleration. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The intake manifold runner control system is located on the intake manifold near the cylinder head on bank 1 side of the engine. Inside the manifold, runner flaps regulate airflow into each cylinder. The actuator motor or vacuum actuator that controls these flaps is mounted on the intake manifold assembly. A runner position sensor is attached to the actuator and sends feedback to the ECU. The wiring harness connecting these components runs across the engine bay to the ECU and is exposed to heat and vibration. For quick diagnosis, begin by scanning live data using an OBD2 scanner and check intake runner position and actuator command values. Then visually inspect the actuator linkage for sticking or damage. Carbon buildup inside the intake manifold is a very common cause that can keep the runner flap stuck open. After that, inspect the actuator motor, vacuum lines if equipped, and electrical connectors for faults. If heavy carbon deposits are present, intake manifold cleaning is recommended. If the actuator or position sensor is faulty, replacement is the correct fix. Finally, clear the code and perform a proper road test to ensure normal airflow control. Remember, the most common causes of P2004 are carbon buildup in the intake manifold, a faulty runner actuator, or damaged wiring and connectors. Fixing this issue on time will restore proper airflow balance, improve engine response, and maintain fuel efficiency.